look right. They drive backwards here, so they got these the signs on the floor or on the ground for tourists like us, so we don't get hit.
I'm sure they get confused too.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, like on the other side they have one that says look right, looking that way. We're gonna try and get over there, but honestly, I don't really know how to get over there.
We can jump.
Could, but
We can rappel.
And the sun is right in my eyes.
And then climb the walls. So we are walking up on the Tower Bridge. We are gonna try and penetrate the fortress, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do it this way. If anything, we'll be able to give you guys like a 360 view of it. Isn't that glorious? Ooh, and look at that.
Welcome to the bridge. You've probably seen it in movies and maybe some TV shows. I think I've seen it in a couple movies. It's kind of cool to walk across. It's a huge bridge. I don't know if we can see that ship right over there, but it looks like it's part of like the Royal Navy.
If you guys are interested in going all the way up there for a good view of the city, that's how much it costs. It's actually not too expensive. I'm sure it's gonna get more expensive as time goes on, just like everything else. But right now it's not so bad, and they have little family deals too, so I think that's pretty cool. It's super windy up here, but here's the information on the Tower Bridge and everything that you can see from here. So the City Hall, right there. HMS Belfast, which is an old Navy ship, is there. Tower Bridge is obviously here. I don't know where the monument is. If I had to guess, that is that big shiny pointy thing over there. And then whatever that is, the gherkin is right there. The Tower of London, which is the official name of this giant fortress right here. And yeah, it's super cold. Look at the wind. The wind is like a scar. Alright, we're gonna go down to the tower.
Alright, we made it to like this little like fort area. Honestly, I don't really know what it is. Gonna find out pretty soon though.
Really cool information. Underneath this line of paving stones are the ruins of a massive defensive wall over a meter thick. It was once a mighty fortification.
Look at these two mortars right here. From the 1600s.
You like my?
Kind of dark.
You guys like my photo? If you like it, go check out our Instagram for more.
So it's basically a fortress used by the military.
There she is.
Back in the 1600s, just for defensive purposes, and the ships coming into the canals or to the Thames River, they would have to check in here, just for, obviously for security reasons. And that's loud. Look at this moat, or it used to be a moat. Alright, I think we're gonna try and go inside now. You ready?
Yeah. Depending on how much it is. We do have a bunch of money saved from eating cheap though over the past few days, so who knows, we might be able to afford it.
So it's gonna cost us like 75 bucks USD to get into this fortress.
Yep, so we're just not gonna do it.
Yeah, and so sorry guys, we're not gonna do it. But we're gonna give you a good tour of the outside.
Yeah, and things to do around here. There are a lot of coffee shops and little coffee stands. Right when you get down the staircase from the actual tower bridge, there's a nice coffee shop indoors. And then if you look in front of us, there's also some nice little places that you can stop and shop and get a snack. So hope you guys like the free tour.
We do things cheap.
Yeah, we broke, as the kids say.
Look at this giant crown with a lion in the middle. Is that the Christmas lion?
Look at him, he's so majestic. You know what it reminds me of? The MGM. The lions.
Yeah, kind of.
Since I'm sure we disappointed some of you guys because we're not going into the tower, we're gonna go into the tower shop and see what it looks like. So here's a peek.
Just
it's
as
all
good.
decked out for Christmas too. Looks like the kids section, which is adorable. I mean, look at these. Look at the cute little creepy ass doll. Alright, PJ, try on your outfit.
I think I want this one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I think I want this doll. Ooh. We got some booze. Typical tourist stuff. So I got one. I got one of these for my mom and a couple friends last time I was here. Okay, those are pretty freaking cool. Anyways, I think we're gonna leave the store. PJ looks bored.
I'm not big on gift shops. Look at those bowls.
I mean, they are really, like, look how nice they're decorated though. They're so cute. We saw, there's some bubbles on the other side over by the London Eye. And those ones, they have like little pieces of fur that go on the back of the seats. It's so cute. It reminds me of Narnia and the White Queen in Narnia.
Yeah, so here's a look at a better look at the ship I was talking about earlier. There. If you guys can see that. Yeah, that was basically just a little walkthrough of the London Bridge. I'm sorry, Tower Bridge, not London Bridge. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe maybe. Until next time.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the 360 tour of the tower. Sorry we couldn't go in, but it is what it is. We're poor right now, so unless you subscribe, we're gonna be poor forever.